Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now discussing some problems related to algebra by using some tricks or shortcut methods. Now here first question is if xy equal to 28 and x square plus y square equals 65, then find value of x plus y. So to find the value x plus y means x plus y whole square equal to, you know that formula, x square plus y square plus 2 into xy. So here given the values xy equal 28 as well as x square plus y square equal 65. So replace these values, x square plus y square value 65 plus 2 into x into value is 28. So 65 plus 28 2 is 56. This value is 121. So x plus y whole square equal to 121. Then the value of x plus y equal to under root of 121. So under root of 121 value is 11. Under root of 121 value is 11. Okay, 11 into 11, 121. Now next some shortcut method. So ఇక్కడ x plus y value కాబట్టి సింపుల్ గా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాం. రిమైనింగ్ వాల్యూస్ కొంచెం డిఫికల్ట్ గా ఉంటేమో now using this method when the given value xy అంటే x into y values ఇచ్చినప్పుడు, so here x into y value is 28, xy equal to, so 28 key factors here, 28 factors, 4 7s are 7 4s as well as 14 2s. Now satisfy the two conditions. First one, xy equal to 20 and satisfy our x into y, as well as satisfy this condition, x square plus y square equals 65 satisfy kavali. Let us consider here xy values 4 and 7. So x into y 28 satisfy avutundi, x square plus y square values are 4 square plus 7 square. 4 square value 16, 7 square value 49 equal to 65. Also satisfied. So when here taking the x value 4, y value 7 or x value 7, y value 4, satisfy these two conditions. So here find the value x plus y equal to 4 plus 7 or 7 plus 4. Value is 11. This is your answer. So ఈ మెథడ్ ఏం చేయొచ్చుమా, ప్రిఫర్ మెథడ్ ఏం చేయొచ్చు. ఓకేనా? So this is a shortcut when given xy value in this question. Question లో xy value ఇచ్చినప్పుడు మనం ఈ మెథడ్ అప్లై చేయొచ్చు, x into y ఇచ్చినప్పుడు. So satisfy the another equation also. Now going to next question. Here question is if x cube plus y cube equal to 72 and x into y equal to 8. So given value x into y. So here x into y value is 8. So 8 factors are 1 8s or 8 1s. Otherwise, next 8 value is 2 4s or 4 2s. So 2 4s are 8, 1 8s are 8. Check the first condition. X cube plus y cube equal to 72 రావాలి. So check the first one, 1 cube, 1 8 cube, 68 cube value is 512. So not satisfy this equation. So check the second one, x value 2, y value 4. So here 2 cube plus 4 cube. 2 cube plus 4 cube. So 2 cube value is 8, 4 cube value is 64. So 8 plus 64 78. So x value 2, y value 4 are x value 4, y value 2. Satisfy these two equations. So x square plus y square value, x square plus y square value, x value 2, 2 square plus y square value is 4, 4 square. So 4 plus 16 equal to 20. This is your answer. So xy equal to 8. So factors 2 4. 2 4 x value 2 or y value 2. X value 4 or y value 4. So So 2 4s or 4 2s. Satisfy x cube plus y cube 72. So then x square plus y square value 2 square plus 4 square, 2 square 4, 4 square 16, 4 plus 16 20. This is your answer. So question లో ఎక్కడైనా xy equal to value ఇస్తే first find the factors. Factors satisfy the second condition. Second condition ఏ values satisfy అవుతున్నాయో that values are x and y values to find the required equation. To find the required equation లో substitute చేయండి to get your answer. Okay na? So this is the another method, shortcut method. Practice cheste to get the answers very simple. Okay, next question here. So your next question is, if a cube minus b cube equal to 63 and ab value is 4. So a into b value is 4. 4 key factors, 1 4s or 4 1s or 2 2s. So first condition is a cube minus b cube equal to 63. Satisfy this equation. So a cube minus b cube value 63 means a value bigger number, b value smaller number. So here 4 and 1. So a cube minus b cube equal to 4 cube minus 1 cube. 4 cube means 64 minus 1 equal to 63. So a value 4, b value is 1. Aite satisfy these two conditions. Then what is the value to find it? A minus b find out cheyali. A minus b. A value 4, b value 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So your answer is 3. Your answer is 3. So AB equal 4, 4, 1 4s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 2 2s are 4. But A cube minus B cube. So A cube minus B cube is positive. Positive when A greater than B అయితే positive అవుతుంది. So A value 4, B value 1. Satisfy the A cube minus B cube. To find the value A minus B, 4 minus 1 value is 3. Okay na? Now next question. So your question is, if xy equal to 48, xy equal to 48, 48 factors are 48 factors, 6 8s are 8 6s as well as 12 4s as well as 24 2s. Now your second condition is x minus y equal to 8. Check it. X value greater than y value means x greater than y here. So x minus y is positive value. So x minus y positive value kabatti x greater than y. So here x greater than y. So x value 12 taken, y value 4 taken. So here taken x value is 12 and y value 4. So here x minus y equal to 12 minus 4 equal to 8. Satisfy this second condition. First condition xy equal to 48. So 12 4s are 48 satisfied, as well as x minus y equal to 8 satisfied. So x value is 12, y value is 4. Now to find the value x square minus y square. X square minus y square equal to x square value 12 square minus y square value 4 square. 12 square 144 minus 4 square 16. 144 minus 16 128. This is your answer. This is your answer. Next question here. If xy equal to 12 and x minus y equal to 4, then find the value of x cube minus y cube. So మీకు ఏ క్వశ్చన్ రిలేటెడ్ దిస్ టైప్ వచ్చినా సరే xy ఉంటే క్వశ్చన్ లో మీరు ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఫస్ట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయండి. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆర్ సెకండ్ ఈక్వేషన్ సాటిస్ఫై చేయండి. మీరు వాల్యూ ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలో ఆ వాల్యూస్ xy వాల్యూస్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే మీకు ఆటోమేటిక్ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. సో ఏ క్వశ్చన్ లో సరే xy ఈక్వల్ టు 12 దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటే సేమ్ మెథడ్ షార్ట్ కట్ మెథడ్. సో హియర్ xy ఈక్వల్ టు 12. వాట్ ఆర్ ద factors? 12 ones as well as 6 twos. సో x minus y పాజిటివ్ వాల్యూ, x minus y పాజిటివ్ వాల్యూ రావాలి అంటే x గ్రేటర్ దాన్ y ఉండాలి. 12 minus 1 11 వస్తుంది, 6 minus 2 4 వస్తుంది. సో x వాల్యూ 6, y వాల్యూ 2, x minus y equal to 6 minus 2 equal to 4 satisfied. Then find the value x cube minus y cube, x cube minus y, x cube minus y cube, x value 6 cube minus y value 2 cube. 6 cube value 216 minus 2 cube value 8. So 216 minus 8 is 208. This is your answer. సో ఆల్జీబ్రాలో మనకి దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తే సేమ్ మెథడ్ చేయాలి. సో ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మనం 10 to 15 seconds లో కంప్లీట్ చేయొచ్చు. సో వెన్ క్వశ్చన్ లో కంపల్సరీగా xy ఈక్వల్ టు సమ్ వాల్యూ ఉంటే సో ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి తర్వాత సాటిస్ఫై దిస్ ఈక్వేషన్, ఫస్ట్ ఆర్ సెకండ్ ఈక్వేషన్ సాటిస్ఫై చేసే వాల్యూస్ తీసుకొని మనం ఫైండ్ ద వాల్యూ అనేది క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయొచ్చు. డూ ప్రాక్టీస్ వెల్ మా to get the better result. So next, do these problems. What the problems are? If xy equal 18, then find the x square plus y square equal 5, and the x square plus y square equal 45, then find the value of x plus y. As well as second question, a cube plus b cube equal 72, and ab equal 8, then find the value of a plus b. Do this problem same method. So all the best. So, two more videos. Please watch and subscribe my channel mathliferao online classes. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much.